Hello everyone, I'm Chris Parisse. I am the product manager at Bosch Rexroth here in the US for the Cytro family, and today I'm going to talk to you about the CytroPac. The CytroPac is a compact intelligent power unit that comes in power classes of 1.5 kilowatt up to 4 kilowatt and comes in various pump sizes from 4 cc up to 11 cc. With these different combinations of power classes and motor pump sizes, this will determine the amount of flow and pressure that you get out of the power unit. So what comes with this power unit out of the box? So I'll start here at the top. This is our lid. The lid here protects all the wiring that is inside of the CytroPac. Under the lid contains a variable frequency drive that is a Rexroth pump drive. This has our Sytronix technology built in, and this gives us power on demand. Basically, it's looking at constant pressure feedback, and will give power on demand to help save energy in your application and also make your power unit quieter. Along with that, it comes with a full sensor suite to maintain the hydraulic power unit. So at the front here is the oil fill, and also it has a filter built in. Along with this, these are the filter switches, 75% and 100% dirty. And this is the temperature feedback. Along with that, on the front, there are our pressure output right here. This is from the output of the pump. And right here is our tank that goes through the filter at the top. Along with that, we do have the A1 drain plug. So what this is if you buy 2 of these, you can do a master follower configuration and combine 2 CytroPacs together. Along with that, it has the full, these are the electronic connections. So starting at 14x1, this is your commissioning plug. This is where you plug in to actually start your CytroPac. Along with that is our STO wiring input, along with our 24-volt digital inputs. And along with that, we have our push-pull RJ45 plugs, and this is how you hook it up to your PLC, your multi-Ethernet connection. And along with that is 12x1, which is your 480-volt 3-phase AC power input. On the back of the power unit, we have our oil level indicator. So this shows us the real-time oil level inside the tank. Along with that is the LED light bar. So the LED light bar shows the status of the CytroPac, and this has 3 states: green meaning good, yellow meaning warning, and red meaning there's an error. So along with that, this is also our drain plug, so you can pull this out, and this will drain the oil from the power unit. So along with that, these are our ports to hook in cooling water to the cooling plate. This cools the oil inside the tank, along with the motor pump group and the drive. So this can be supplied with your plant cooling water or with the Rexroth air oil cooler that mounts directly below the unit. The main benefits of the CytroPac include that it's compact, so it takes up very little space in your floor, your plant floor, and inside of your machine. It has Sytronix built in, so that gives you energy savings and power on demand, along with an overall quieter operation. And then finally, it's I4 ready, so it has all the built-in sensors to remotely monitor the power unit, all right available from your PLC. I want to thank you all for joining me today, and please take a look at our other video of how you size and select the CytroPac for your application.